So today we are heading to Sign of the Times in Chelsea, which is a really trendy kind of pre-loved luxury store, and they've kindly let me film in there and show you some of the pieces that they've got in there. You know, at the moment obviously it changes all the time because they just never know what they're going to get in. There should be such a huge range of things like, you know, designer bags, designer clothes, but let's just see what they have in the store when we get there. There are so many amazing pieces in here. There's beige Chanel bags. So there are some absolutely amazing jackets. I absolutely love these. All of the cream tones. And then all of the shoes. Look at these Milano Planic. They're amazing. And they look, you know, so new.
How much are those ones?
These ones. These are £274, which is such a bargain for the boots on heels. What do you think of these?
I like the red soles.
Yeah. Like this, for example. This is a Chanel jacket, which is just something you just wouldn't think you would come across. Classic tweed, you know, jackets that you can own. And I love the fact that there's so many unique pieces in here. This piece as well, this is a classic Burberry trench, which is just such an amazing find. I absolutely love all the buttons down it. It's just a great, you know, classic piece to have in your wardrobe.
How much is that?
This one is £450, which is, you know, considerably cheaper than what you would get it for if you was to just buy it from the shop, for example. A Gucci dress, I think. Well, we'll see if I try it on, but I just love the colour of this. It's so perfect for summer in the light blue shade, and the quality is just amazing.
What's the price on this?
So this one is £890, which, you know, is a little bit of a higher price point, but there's a mix of, you know, prices in this store. So obviously this would probably be one of the higher end kind of price points, but for a Gucci dress like this was probably, I don't even know how much, you know, brand new. So see, something like this is really nice. Layer this with a white shirt or something like that. So many nice beige tones, and even the shoes. Look at those. You know, such good condition. I love the pink on the top. Just such a mix of, you know, all the amazing, you know, brands at a discounted price. Birkins, red soles, and they're still in such good, you know, condition. Gucci, Milano Planic, these are so nice. I just love the fact that you just don't know what you're going to be able to find in here. Like, it's just such a mix of different, you know, styles and different unique pieces. Even these trainers are such a good find because they're still kind of in the stores now. I absolutely love this style. I love the sole and everything. I think they're a great, you know, great choice. So one of the most amazing pieces they have in this store is they have some Hermes bags as well, which I absolutely love. This one is an Hermes Constance. It's in this amazing kind of peachy salmon colour. It honestly looks new to me. I mean, there's a tiny little mark on it, but it's amazing. So this bag is $7,995, which for a bag like this, with it being, you know, such a sought after piece, you have to put your name down on a wish list for something like this. So to be able to kind of go in store and pick up an item like this is, you know, amazing. Of course, an Hermes Birkin, everyone knows is impossible to get, which they also have in store, which is just, you know, incredible. So this one is in kind of like a chocolate dark brown shade, but you know, with the whole nature of this shop, not all the time will there be like this colour in. There'll be so many different colours and variations, but it's amazing that they can, you know, get these kind of handbags, and that they can even source you some bags like this as well. If you kind of put in a request of what you're looking for, they can definitely try and, you know, get you a bag like this as well. So this one is just absolutely incredible. I love the gold hardware on it. So this bag is around the 9,000 mark, which again is definitely a high-end bag, but considering how hard these are to get, and you know, the kind of price they are at retail as well, you know, it's a great piece if you're just wanting to get your Hermes bag in the exact colour and combination that you want. So then this bag is a vintage beige classic flap. I absolutely, you know, love this because I actually have one myself, but this one is more of a vintage piece. So this bag is 3,950, which to get this bag kind of retail now would be a lot more than that. I think it's around the 4,000 mark, maybe even more, depending on what size this is, but I feel like this is probably a small or medium size. But again, the condition of this is really good for, you know, such a pre-loved item, and it's amazing that you can go into store and find something like this. So something that's, you know, a big trend at the moment and very much kind of this season, which is what I was saying earlier, a lot of these pieces are pre-loved items, but you definitely get some new season pieces as well. It's not all like old seasons from a couple of years ago, you know, there are newer pieces in. So this one is a Bottega Veneta bag with the classic gold chain. I never realised how heavy this chain actually was. It's quite a weighty bag, but I think that's just a sign of the quality. I really love the fact that it's in this, you know, pop of green colour. Again, there's such a range of colours and things to choose from. It's not just classic beige colours and things, but obviously if you're wanting your first bag, it's a great, you know, choice to go for. But if maybe your style is something a little bit different, I feel like this bag would be perfect for that. And this one is 1,990, which again, compared to the retail, is, you know, a great saving. Then another great option if you're going for kind of a starter luxury bag is a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. So this one is 895 and it's in the MM. I think that's actually a really great price for this bag. It looks, again, in such great condition. That's what I've noticed with all of these pieces. Everything is in such great condition, even though it's a pre-loved item. There's hardly any signs of wear on this at all. And I feel like if you're definitely, you know, getting into your designer bags and you're wanting to start out, a Neverfull is always a great option because they're so practical. You can fit so much in them. They just go over your shoulder like this. They're just such a practical bag to own. And yeah, for a great start bag, definitely this, or even just a practical work bag. I feel like this would work really well. So this is another current season bag. This one is from Bottega Veneta. It's in this amazing kind of pop of red shade. A great way to add a bit of colour to your neutral outfits. So the price of this one is 1,250, which for, you know, a bag like this, again, is a great saving. I'll put the retail price of the bags somewhere in this video so you can kind of get an idea of what the savings are like buying pre-loved. But I also love the fact that when you buy pre-loved, obviously it's a great sustainable way to shop. You know, we're not constantly buying new things and making new things. You know, we're investing in pieces that we can wear and wear again. So this is another great piece I found upstairs. So I forgot to mention there's an upstairs to this and also a downstairs as well. So there's so much choice in this store. So I also found this jacket. This one is by Max Mara. It's in the cube style, classic design. This one's actually a size 18, but I was kind of interested to see how it would fit in kind of like an oversized puffer jacket way. So the price of this is £340, which again for a Max Mara piece is just crazy. Okay, so this piece is a bit bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. But do you know what? I actually think it looks quite cool. I feel like it looks quite trendy. You know, everyone loves an oversized jacket. And I actually really like how this looks, and I love the colour of this. I feel like it's so great with most outfits, blue jeans, black jeans. I say it all the time, but it's a great kind of versatile colour, this grey shade. This is Josh's favourite bag, the Birkin bag. He says it's big enough to put all of his work stuff in it. You know, how cool would this look be though with this bag and the jacket? I really like it. So obviously the Birkin is one of the most famous bags in the world. So I thought it would be good to kind of show you what's inside and different ways you can style it. So first off, you could just style it how it is with it all completely done up. I personally think that's my favourite way of styling it. But you can also kind of undo the clasp and just kind of leave it open like this. That's how some people style it, and that looks really nice as well. Or you can take, you know, both off like that, and then it opens like this. It's actually really secure. Like, all of your stuff is so, you know, secure in this bag. So inside the bag also comes with a padlock, which you can put on the top as well when you do the bag up. You know, all of its protection here, its little dust bag, you know, just so many pieces that are just great with the bag. But I just can't get over how much space is in the inside of this. You could honestly fit so much in this bag. But that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you enjoyed seeing all of the amazing bags and pieces they have in store. I'll leave all of the details to Sign of the Times down below in the description box. But please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did like it, because that would really mean so much to me. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Bye guys.